This lecture we will be developing an application on code.org platform in using basic features of Applab, with which an admin person can put something on auction. He can publish any auction, and the other people who are attending that auction can see the published things in real time. So how the admin person can access the admin panel, that's what I would like to tell you first. So there is a button which I have placed over this screen. This is the first screen. This is the first screen user is going to come across. Now if the admin person want to access the admin panel, he just have to hit this button which I have placed over this image button you are seeing. Okay, and this is the beautiful screen he's going to get redirected on. Similarly, if suppose a user want to register his profile, he want to participate in the auction which this admin is gonna publish. So what he can do, he can make use of his email ID and upload his profile pic from using this photo select button I have placed right on the top. Let's select a photograph from here. I am selecting this one for now, and after this he need to hit this button and he's going to get redirected on this screen where he's going to see his pic and his email ID getting reflected right on the top. Fine, similarly let's create one more profile on this platform. So I'm going to create a profile using this profile pic and amit@gmail.com. This is the ID I am using for creating the second profile. Now let's hit this button. Okay, so Amit's profile is also getting reflected over here. So I am currently accessing this app, this auction app, on three different platforms. Now they can, uh, right now as you can see, there is nothing visible in this product name category and in these text boxes which I have placed over here. Neither anything is visible over here on this admin panel. Now how the admin can you know how the admin can start the auction. So first of all, he need to hit this drop down, and whatever things he want to sell out, he just have to, whatever thing he want to sell out, he need to select that thing first. So let's sell a dining table first. So he need to click on this option, and automatically what is going to happen, uh, these
Here
photographs
are
are
the
going to
images of
get
the dining
reflected.
table.
These photographs are going to get reflected like this over here. So suppose this first photograph to these two users, what he can do, he can just tap on this photograph. Okay, and that's how it is going to come here like this. Fine, similarly if you want to see this one, he can just tap on this and the photograph here is going to get changed. So that's how I have coded this app. Now suppose if you want to show these pics to these two people who are here for participating in the auction. So now if suppose this person want to show this pic to these two users, what he can do, he can just hit this image button and automatically this image is going to get reflected over here like this. So it is automatically, it is happening, you don't have to do anything. This admin person doesn't have to do anything, or I haven't defined any receiving button on this one. This is happening in real time. Okay, now let's suppose if you want to show this image to these two users, he just have to click on this image and see the images on both these panels are going to get changed. Let's show all the four images to these two users over here. See, the images have got changed again. So that's how this app is going to work. Now let's show this image to these two users. So for that we just need to hit this image button and see automatically the images are going to appear on the panels, on the respective panels of these two users. Fine. Now let's set the starting price. So let the starting price be uh, around 20,000. Yep. So let's hit this starting price label box I have defined over here. Now, when I will hit this starting price, what is going to happen? Automatically, you will see this starting price is going to get reflected over here in these two text boxes. Let me just show it to you. See, the price is getting reflected in the on the panels of these people, right? Now what they can do, they can select their own price in which they would like to purchase this table. So they obviously they need to select an amount equal to 20,000 or higher than this price, whatever price has been set by this admin. So if suppose this person, let's say, you want to purchase it in 30,000. Okay, now let's see what is going to happen if he'll click this your price label box. So now you know what you will see, the price which he has set for this table in which he want to purchase this table, it is going to get reflected automatically over here in this get the prices label box, or you can say text box. Okay, let's set this your price label box. Automatically this is happening. Okay, this is happening automatically in real time. Similarly, if he want to purchase, let's say, in rupees 40,000. Okay, so he need to hit this label box, and automatically you'll get to see the changes over here. Now if the admin want to go through the prices of all the people, whatever prices they guys have set, the people who have come in the auction, and he want to check out the prices in which they would like to purchase this table. So what he can do, he can make use of this next and previous button. Okay, so Gaurav want to purchase this in 30,000. And what about Amit? Amit would like to purchase this table in 40,000 rupees. Okay, so obviously the admin is going to sell this table to Amit in 40,000. So how he can do that? How he can announce the final result? So he can put the final result over here in rupees 40,000. Okay, let's hit the sold button. And now when I will hit this sold button, what you are going to see, you're going to see the result will automatically get reflected. It is going to get reflected automatically over here in this broadcast the result text boxes which you are seeing on their respective panels. So see, they will get to know about the result. So that's how a person can sell out his things. He can conduct an auction, of different things through this app. Files now. Okay, one with ID Gaurav at the rate gmail.com, second with ID Amit at the rate gmail.com, and third with ID Sumit at the rate gmail.com. Now, what I'm going to do, I'm going to sell them this second thing which I have got with me, and it is a red Ferrari. And when I will click this, when I will hit
Here
this
are the
option,
images of the dining
automatically
table.
these are the four cars
Here are the images of the car.
which are going to appear like this. So these are the images of the car which I want to sell. Now let's set this image, and this is how it looks like. Now if I want to show this image to all these three users who have come for this auction, I can just hit this image button, and in the real time it is going to get reflected on their respective uh, auction panels like this, user panels like this. Fine. Similarly, if you want to show them this second image of the car, that's how we can show them the second image of the car. See, on every user's panel the car's image is getting reflected. Okay, and similarly let's show them the third image. So everything is happening in real time. Okay, now as you can see, the third image is also going to get reflected very soon on their respective panels in real time. See, so that's how I have coded this app. Now I'm going to show them the fourth image of this red Ferrari. So see, this is the fourth image which they will be seeing. Okay, now after publishing the images, all the images, what I can do, I can set a price. Let's set a price of, okay, so I am selling it in 20 lakh. Fine, let's now hit the starting price and publish the starting price. So as you can see, the starting price is now visible on the panels of all the users who have come for the auction, who are participating in the auction. Okay, now if suppose this Gaurav want to purchase it in let's say 40 lakh. Okay, so he can uh, tell his price like this. If suppose Sumit want to purchase it in rupees 35 lakh, he can tell his price like this to the admin by hitting this label box. And if suppose he would like to purchase it in 38 lakh, so that's how they can tell their respective prices to the admin. Now, how the admin is going to see the prices? See, the prices are going to get reflected over here in this text box automatically in real time like this. That's how the admin can make use of these next and previous button in order to fetch all the prices. So because Gaurav has decided to purchase this car in 40 lakhs, so he would like to sell it to Gaurav. Car is sold to Mr. Gaurav in rupees 40 lakh. Okay, let's now hit the sold button and publish this final result. So the final result will be has been successfully published and it is visible to all the users who have come for participating in this auction. So that's how this app works. And now let's check out the code which I have made use of for making this beautiful bidding, or you can say auction app. So I'm gonna come on this code.org platform, and this is the code which I have made use of for making this beautiful auction app. So there is a button which I have placed over here. The name of that button is admin. So when the admin will hit this button, he's going to get redirected on this screen too. This is a code I have defined for that button. Similarly, if the user after uploading his profile pic through this profile uh, pic selector button and entering his email address over here, when he will hit this go button, there is a button which I've placed over here, the idea of which is go. So he's going to come on this screen, and this is the whole code which is going to get executed. Now here there is a drop down on this admins panel, the name of which is drop down 1. If suppose the user selects dining table, so the records are going to get pulled up from this dining table named table, and automatically the all the four images which I have saved over here in this table named as dining table. All the four images are going to get reflected over here in these four image buttons. Fine. Now whatever image I will click on, automatically that image is going to appear here. So I have made use of set image URL property for doing the same. Okay, this is the code. Let me just show it to you. If the user will hit this pick one, in the main box he's going to see that pick one. If he hits this pick two, then pick two is going to get reflected over here. And likewise I have defined the code for pick 3 and pick 4 also. Fine. Now, if suppose the user want to sell the red Ferrari, so what he can do, he can select the red Ferrari from this drop down over here, and automatically all the four images are going to get reflected over here in these four image buttons. Fine. The way I had shown you while I was testing the app. Now let's come on this code. So when the user will hit this main button, what is going to happen? A table with name product is going to get created, and in this column image, the URL of this image which is getting reflected over here, it is going to get saved. Now I have made use of this code for getting the images, whatever image is going to get reflected over here, in order to get it reflected in real time on the other users panel, the people who have come to attend this auction or to participate in this auction. In the auction, I would like to show them this image in the real time on their respective panel. So this is the whole code which I made use of. So if the event type is equal to create, then automatically they will be able to see the image, whatever image is going to get reflected over here on this admins panel. The same image the users are also going to see. Fine. Now comes this label 2's code. So when the user will hit this label 2 code, automatically a table with name price is going to get created, in which the name of the product and the price of the product is going to get saved. Fine. And now when the this is the code which is actually going to get this price reflected in real time on the users panel. So if the event type is equal to create a table, the price, whatever price the admin has set for this item, it is going to get reflected on the users panel in real time through this code. Okay. Similarly, if suppose a user will hit this what we call label 6, which is this. Okay, so whatever price this person has set, whatever price this person want to purchase this car or any item which the user has published. Okay, so he can just hit this label box, and a table with name your price is going to get created automatically. Now how the admin is going to check out the prices? So this is a code. This code is going to do, it is going to fetch the price, whatever price the user in whatever price the user would like to purchase the item, it is going to fetch that price from this your price table in real time, and it is going to reflect that price on this admins panel in this get price text box. Through this code it is happening. Okay, and for checking out the prices of different users, I have made use of this code. This is the code for this previous button, and this is the code which is going to get executed when the user will hit this next button. Obviously you know about this code because we have discussed about this in several times in several lectures. So that's how I have coded this part. And finally, when the user, after entering the final result over here in this text box, when will hit this button, a table with name result is going to get created on the data browser connected to this app, and through these lines of codes, the result is going to get finally published, and it will get reflected on the user's panel. So that's how I have coded this beautiful app. Hope you guys enjoyed this lecture a lot and you liked this app which I have developed a lot. Please do like and subscribe to my channel, and also share the link of these videos which I am putting on my channel in your group, so that more and more students can come and join my channel and learn coding free of cost. Thank you very much and God bless you. Have a great day.